morning or good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It is Crystal here, and what I'm doing in this particular video is I'm going to be working on Excel. I just decided that since I pay for Excel, I pay like £8 a month to get Microsoft Office. I decided I may as well use it, So I'm going to be making more videos on Excel. And also Python. But Excel has a lot of potential because I pay for it. So I've got the newest version of Excel. And what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be working on a statistical function called the binomial distribution because I've been working on statistics. And whenever I first started working on the binomial distribution, I thought I would just have a handful of distributions, but it didn't quite work out that way. Just looking on Excel alone, they have about 15 distributions that have functions assigned to them. And if you know the formulas for the distributions, you can create other distributions as well. So the first distribution that we're going to be discussing is the binomial distribution. And you can see I've used it with PDF, which is probability distribution function, and CDF, which is cumulative distribution function. So PDF is the probability that something's going to happen, and CDF is the cumulative, where it's all added up. So what we're going to do now is we've got the, look over here, and we're going to use binom.dist, and it's going to be C3 because we're going to have numbers from 0 to 10. And then $A, $3, that's an absolute reference. That's going to be number of trials is going to be 10. $B, $3 is going to be probability of success is going to be 0.5. And false is going to be the PDF. If you want the CDF, then it's going to be true. But I generally like the PDF, so it's going to be false. But you can do whatever you want to do. And what I've done is I've made a distribution, and this is a column chart of the binomial distribution and the cumulative distribution. And you can see that the binomial distribution, the probability is 0.5, so it's going to be the highest, and the cumulative distribution, it adds up. And so that's with your column chart. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do it with a scatter plot. And that's what it looks like as a scatter plot. But if we come over here to probability of success, and we'll say number of trials, say 100 trials. And you can see that that has changed the PDF and the binomial distribution. So you can see that that has completely changed it, what it looks like. So, we'll say number of trials, 10 trials. And that has changed it again. Let's say 9 trials. See what happens. It changed it again. It's changed the look of it. Let's change here 11 trials. So when you have 11 trials, it's changed the look of the distribution as well. So you can do it. And what we'll do here, I just want to show you how to actually make a distribution. So I'm going to delete the binomial distribution. I'm going to delete it. And so you have to go number of successes, K, all the way to 10. and then you come over here to insert. You come over here to recommended charts. So we're going to have a clustered column. That's going to be our recommended chart. And there you go. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. But you can play around with it. So you've got probability of success 0.75. We'll change that. So look at that. That's your 0.75 probability of success. And let's see what it says here when the scatter plot. So you can see that the scatter plot has changed as well. And if we come over here, 0.25 probability of success, you can see that it's changed again. Okay. We'll just go ahead and move it back to 0.5, 0.5, and number of trials. Let's say 15 trials. So that's changed it again. The binomial distribution has changed it again. And so we'll go back to 10. So you can play around with it to get it look any way you want to. But I've just gone back to the very beginning. But this is your binomial probability distribution for PDF. Binom.dist is C3 A $A$3, comma $B, $3, comma false. False means it's your PDF probability distribution function, and true means it's a CDF. So when you're working on this Excel function for statistics, remember false is PDF and true is CDF. And you can play around with the number of successes as well. So that's it. That's it for this particular video. And I showed you what I did. I showed you how to make a graph, and I showed you the formula that I used. So the one that you really want to concern yourself with is the one for the PDF. But again, you can, whatever you like the best, PDF or CDF, and you can give it a try, see what you think, and let me know how you get on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to communicating with you in the next video, which will be another distribution in Excel.